From meeting notes to client email in under 5 minutes with AI. What if you could take messy meeting notes and turn them into a polished follow-up email in under 5 minutes? Let's make it happen. For small business owners, follow-up can make or break client trust. But with back-to-back calls and endless tasks, it's easy for details to get lost. The good news? You don't need to work faster. You just need a system. Here's a 3-step process that works every time. Step 1, capture the conversation. Step 2, summarize for action. Step 3, send the follow-up the same day. Let's walk through it. First, I paste my prompt into ChatGPT. You are my professional assistant. Pull out the key points and organize them into decisions, action items, and reference notes. Then, I drop in a photo of my handwritten meeting notes. Or you could use transcribed digital notes. In seconds, ChatGPT takes my messy notes and separates everything into clear, usable sections. That's the first part. Next, I run my second prompt. Now turn that into a warm, professional client email. ChatGPT instantly blends the details into a concise, ready-to-send message. And just like that, my follow-up is done in well under 5 minutes. We go from handwritten notes to a polished follow-up email sent the same day. If you want to speed this up even more, here are 5 AI tools worth exploring. Otter.ai, best for solo pros who want clean meeting notes fast. Fireflies.ai, best for teams that want unlimited transcripts and rich analytics. Microsoft 365 Copilot, best for organizations standardized on Microsoft tools. Zoom AI Companion, best for teams already using Zoom. Fathom, best for quick record, summarize, share workflows. I've included a full comparison chart in this week's newsletter. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more quick, human-first AI tips. And grab my free follow-up template in the link below so your next meeting turns into action in minutes, not hours. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.